It's a brand new day. Wake up every morning and say,
hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we are about to head out and grab us some things for self-care, and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. So let's go. Oh, wait a minute. Listen, I have on different clothes because I had to re-record my intro. But if you are new here, click that subscribe button. If you like what you see, turn on that bell notification. And now for real, let's get going. I like this one, but I don't like the red. I wish it didn't have the red in there. If that was a pink, I would be good. But yeah. This is cute, but it's shorts. So I'm debating between, I like this because I just think it looks just nice and chic. And this one. The reason why I would want this one is because this is something that I wouldn't typically wear. And so it's like, yeah, get something that you wouldn't typically wear, girl. Like, step out, like the stripes or whatever. And also though, I'm in my pink era. This one makes me happy, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit. Is it wrong for me to try this on in the store? Let's just do it. So this is a large, and I don't know if I'm fooling myself or not. I'm probably fooling myself, but I need to see how it looks. My purse right there. Can I fit it? Oh. Where's my hair? It is so soft and comfy. See, I don't want to be busting through. I can't be busting through this stuff. See? I don't like that. I'm gonna get an extra large. If they have this in extra large, I'm gonna get it. But it is so soft. Okay, let's keep looking. Extra large. One has like a little stain on it, and this is the one that dang it, they don't have any more extra larges. So I was budgeting for my PJs to cost $20, but these PJs are $16.99. So I think I'm gonna look for me a new mug, a cute little mug. Here is all of the mugs. I don't see anything that's jumping out at me. I really don't. That's nice. I am with you always. The PJs are pink. I don't know. Oh, hold on. Mystery, no. I like the color, but oh, this is kind of cute. How much is it? It's $8. What do y'all think? It's heavy. Good Lord. More mugs here. Cute. This one is kind of cute.
Cashier number 7.
Oh, and it's $5.
Was curious what it is.
A camera. Yes, it's a small camera. You can see it.
No, it's okay.
There you go. Okay guys, so now I am headed to an herb shop that I did not know was here. So I'm super excited about this because we are going to make our own tea. So let's go ahead and go in. I love it. What would you suggest?
So you mentioned chamomile, lavender, peppermint, right?
Whatever. Yeah, I said peppermint. Whatever. I mean,
that's a nice. So I mean, chamomile and lavender are definitely calming.
Okay.
Absolutely. A lot of people like to mix it with lemon balm, which is also calming.
Mm-hmm.
Skullcap is another popular one, and even catnip. Catnip has calming properties as well. And mugwort, if you want to induce some lucid dreaming. This one has sedative properties.
What do you mean?
You know, where you're like active in your dreams, like you remember them.
Oh wow, really?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know that I want to remember my dreams. No, seriously, should I want to?
I mean, that's up to you, really. You know.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I found that like when I was younger, I wanted to do that, but now that I'm older, it's like the dreams that I'm supposed to remember, I will.
So we have the lavender, peppermint, and chamomile. But it's definitely it's time out for all these drugs. Like,
Yes,
it's time out. Like, good Lord. Mm-hmm. So now we are headed to the library. So we are going to look for us a fiction book. Oh, what is this about? Oh, urban fiction. Ooh, the black market. I think I got me a book. Four. So it's the next day, and we did get our herbs yesterday in our book, but I got my Amazon package, and I want to show you all how I am going to make my own tea. I got me a tea kettle and tea bags and spoons. We are going to be using these tea bags, and I'm going to have everything linked in the description. So we're going to get started on making our DIY herbal teas, and we're going to also put them into bags. I did not know that they made these, which I'm probably just behind the 8 ball, but it's just like, you know, I typically am. But anyway, we have our chamomile, we have our peppermint, and we have our lavender. And this is going to be our nighttime relaxation tea. So let's get started. Okay, I have this mason jar, a bowl, stainless steel bowl, which it doesn't matter if it's stainless steel or not. And then I have these tea bag filters, along with our herbs, our fresh herbs, and a spoon to stir. So what I'm gonna do is just take everything and just mix it together. Okay, this one was the peppermint leaf, and I have a half an ounce. Oh, it smells so good. Next, I have my chamomile. And then I have my lavender flowers. And we are just going to give everything a mix. Mix it all up. Oh, this smells so freaking good. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. We're doing this together for the first time, so please know that I do not claim to be an expert in any form or fashion. I think it was 100 tea bags. And so, comes in this little container thing here, this little Ziploc. It came with a spoon here. So I'm gonna wash this off right quick. All right, so this was washed off. I like it because it's like a scooper. So now we are going to open our tea bag, and then I guess we'll fill it up. So about right here. And then put it in. Oh, this is so simple. So simple. Oh my goodness. So freaking simple. I don't know how much you're supposed to put in here. Oh, and then you just squeeze it here. Like so. I wonder, should I knot it so it won't come loose? All right, and we have made our very own fresh tea bag. So I am just going to actually, you know what? Well, this might be enough. Let's see. I have bigger mason jars as well. but I'll just take them and put them in here. Let's see if they'll fall out. Will anything fall out? Nope. Nice and secure. I love it. Won't come out. Okay, so we'll just put them in here like this. Boom. So let me just make up some tea bags. Mason jar. I think I want to get something more aesthetically pleasing, but for right now this will work. And in the next video I'll be opening up the kettle, so you guys stay tuned because part 2 of this video is coming. I got my little mug from Marshall's when we went to Marshall's earlier. It feels so good, but this is gonna be my tea mug. So I have these two things together, my tea and my mug. And then I did get the PJs, although they had a stain on them. I'm about to go wash them anyway, so they'll be ready. I got an extra large, which we established that's what I needed, but I know they're gonna be too long, so I have to jack them up. So I'm thinking about being short. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the washer and go ahead and wash this so that in part 2, we can go ahead and get our hot bath and finish up with our self-care. And you know we got our book too, so thank you guys so much for watching. And if you are new here, welcome. This channel is all about Melanie and Just Big Melanie and all of the things that she likes to do. I'm a mother, a wife, a business owner. I'm just a whole bunch of stuff put in one. And I just like to share any ideas and just share my life with you all in relatable content. So if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification, because guess what? More is coming really, really soon. See you later.